if you don't have any background in kinesiology or medicine, it's hard for you to pick up on the small things that can be really affecting your gait. Now, if we're talking about big differences, you can see that in a mirror. So if you want, for example, you can put a long, full-length standing mirror in front of you, and you can, work on your squats and see if you're leaning towards one way or another, especially if you've had an injury on one side. You may be putting more of your weight towards one side than the other, which can really throw things off for you and increase your risk of another injury. But in general, the best way if you want to do a gait analysis is to go to a gait analysis lab, because they can actually put markers on you, and you can really have a complete workup of your gait. Other than that, doing this in the mirror may not be the best option for most people.